Mind your decisions, I'm Presh Talwalkar. Logic and intelligence tests like this one often spread across social media. But this particular problem is based on a well-defined mathematics puzzle. Suppose we have a binary operation on real numbers x and y such that x combines with y to be a times x plus b times y plus c for constants a, b, and c. You are given that 3 and 5 combine to be 16, and 4 and 7 combine to be 30. What do 1 and 1 combine to be? This problem is from the online mathematics challenge of 2020. Pause the video if you'd like to give this problem a try. When you're ready, keep watching to learn how to solve this problem. We know what x and y combine to be, and we have that 3 and 5 combine to be 16. Therefore, we have 3a plus 5b plus c is equal to 16. Since 4 and 7 combine to be 30, we have 4a plus 7b plus c is equal to 30. We want to figure out the value of 1 and 1, which is the value of a plus b plus c. Let's focus on these two equations. To get started, a standard technique in these types of problems is to manipulate the two equations. So let's subtract the second equation from the first. We'll cancel out the c terms, and we get a plus 2b is equal to 14. Now let's take these same two equations and we'll add them together. We get 7a plus 12b plus 2c is equal to 46. Let's work with these two resultant equations. Let's multiply the second equation by -5. We'll get -5a minus 10b is equal to -70. We will then add this equation to the first equation. We then get 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to -24. Now all we have to do is divide this equation by 2, and we get a plus b plus c is equal to -12. And a plus b plus c is exactly what 1 and 1 combine to be. Therefore, our answer is -12. Thanks for joining me in today's mental workout. See you soon as we continue to solve the world's problems one video at a time.